Well, NAB increased its interim cash profit by 94% to $3.3 billion. And that means it brings up the rear of the three banks to report this week, after ANZ's 126% gain and Westpac's 256%. Westpac shares jumped 5% on Monday, ANZ's fell 3% yesterday, and NAB's fell 3% today. And by the way, a big part of the profit improvement by all three of them is that last year's big bad debt provisions didn't prove necessary, so they were able to put them back onto their profits this year. Apart from that, Telstra fell and BHP and QBE were among the biggest winners today. The big picture on the share market is that volatility has collapsed again. After the February-March crash, volatility remained elevated for most of the rest of the year before falling again in November. It's now back around the lowest it ever gets to, that is under 12 on the VIX index. Not much else to report today. The New York market was flat last night and there were fairly strong gains in Asia today. Oil and iron ore fell on commodity markets while gold and aluminium went up. And the Australian dollar fell quite sharply in the morning after China's National Development and Reform Commission announced that it had suspended indefinitely all activities under the China-Australia dialogue because of the Cold War mentality and ideological prejudice of certain people in the Australian government. But at 77.01, the Aussie looked a bit of a buy to foreign exchange traders, so they bid it back up to 77.5, a small rise on the day. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.